Hello friends, my name is Dr. Mallika Sapre. I am a dentist, a healer, an NLP practitioner and a life coach. Through this video, I want to take you through my own life journey. आज से 10 साल पहले मैं बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम से घिरी हुई थी, इंक्लूडिंग बीइंग अ सिंगल पेरेंट. उस टाइम मुझे समझ नहीं आता था कि मैं अपनी प्रॉब्लम से बाहर कैसे निकलूं. At that time, I did not know what subconscious mind was, what was its programming, और मुझे ये भी नहीं मालूम था कि हमारी लाइफ में जो कुछ भी घट रहा होता है इट इज़ मेनली ड्यू टू द प्रोग्रामिंग ऑफ अ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. हाउएवर, आई वॉज अ सीकर and I used to always believe that the only person who can change you is you. I still kept seeking and I came across one of the best courses that Nitin Mohanlal sir was offering at that time, and it was his life coach course, which helped me gain a lot of clarity on what I want to do about my own life in future. I also came to know that the life coach industry is one of the best industry currently. There are so many issues that our society is facing. For example, depression, anxiety, addictions, parenting issues, and our children who are suffering from a myriad of problems. After realizing this and after doing the course, I realized a lot of clarity that I could not only help people come out of their life issues, but I could derive a lot of monetary benefits also after doing that. It is one of the best courses which has been designed very perfectly, and it is so much structured that even if you don't know what it is, what a life coaching industry is all about, you can yourself derive a lot of clarity and you can yourself carve out your own niche in the life coaching industry by this course. So I would recommend this course for everyone who wishes to switch their career into the life coaching industry, who have an aim to resolve their own issues or other people's issues, as well as derive a lot of monetary benefit, which is very important for all of us in the current scenario.